Hey YouTube, it's your girl Tori. Welcome to my channel once again. So I took it upon myself to do a wash day series. I'm going to do step by step every day. So step 1 is pre-poo. And pre-poo is when you mix all oils and everything and have your hair saturated with water. And it's right before you shampoo. The benefits of pre-pooing is to maintain moisture and to make your strands stronger, and to minimize breakage. And make sure you finger detangle. Do not use any combs or brushes or your hair will break off. So start off by sectioning off your hair, putting some water in there. As you can see, I didn't quite show it, but so start off with putting some water in your hair. I don't know what happened to my spray bottle, so I'm dipping my hand in water. So if you have a spray bottle, I recommend you using that and not a cup. So after saturating your strands, you would add the coconut oil to your hair and work that in there from ends to the roots, or however you all want to do it, but you just slap dab it on there. And once you do that, I like to put my hair into twists, as you can see in the last row that I did.